Welcome to our math classroom with your teacher Dan. In today's lessons, we're going to study how we're going to find the missing rate. So we're going to have the first example. 60 is blank percent of 80. So the missing 60 here is your percentage, while 80 without the percent form, that is your base. So in Tekkan's triangle, if the rate is missing, we're going to divide the percentage by our base. So the formula here is rate is equal to percentage divided by your base. So our percentage here is 60 and your base is 80. So we can have the lowest term of this. So divided by 20, it is 3. Divided by 20, that is 4. So 3/4, we can divide 3 by 4. So we have 3 divided by 4. So how many 4 and 3? That is 0. We're going to add decimal here. 30 divided by 4, that is 7. 7 times 4, that is 28. And we subtract it. 30 minus 28 is 2. Bring down another 0. And we divide 20 divided by 4. That is 5. 5 times 4 makes 20. So 20 minus 20 is 0. So we have 0.75. Is this our final answer? No. We're going to change this one into a percent by moving 2 places, going to the right. So it makes 75%. So our answer here is 75%. 60 is 75% of 80. So let's have the second example here. 6 is blank percent of 40. So 6 here is your percentage and 40 here is your base. So the missing is the rate. So the same formula, we're going to use rate is equal to percentage divided by the base. So our percentage here is 6 divided by 40. So we can have the lowest term of this, 1 divided by 2, that is 3 divided by 2, that is 20. 3 all over 20. So we're going to divide 3 by 20. So how many 20 and 3 is 0? We're going to have the decimal point. 30 divided by 20. That is 1. 1 times 20 is 20. Subtract it. That is 10. Going to add another 0. 10 divided by 100 divided by 20. That is 5. 5 times 20, that is 100. We subtract it, 0. So we have 0.15. Changing that to percent form, moving 2 places, going to the right, it makes 15%. So 6 is 15% of 40. The next one, we're going to have 24 is what percent of 120? So 24 here is your percentage and 120 here is your base. So the missing here is your rate. Okay, let's have another formula here. So we have 9. Our rate is equal to percentage all over your base. So our percentage here is 24 all over 120, which is your base. And we're going to have the lowest term of this one divided by 24. Okay, so we can have divided by 24. It is 1. And 120 divided by 24, that is 5. Okay, so 1 all over 5. So we can divide 1 divided by 5. 1 divided by 5 is 0. We're going to add a decimal point here. 10 divided by 5 That is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract it 0. So we have 0.2. Changing 0.2 into percent, moving 2 places, going to the right, it makes 20%. So 24 is 20% of 120. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.